Welcome to Vacuum Wars, and to our review of the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. It's iRobot's new top-of-the-line robot vacuum mop combo with a brand new clean-base design and a lot of upgraded specs and features. We bought one and put it through all kinds of tests over the past few weeks, and in this video I'll go over all the pros and cons. So links in the description, and let's get started. Let me start off with what I consider the main thing, which is the Roomba J9's vacuuming ability. It uses iRobot's dual brush design in combination with a single side brush to vacuum both hard floors and carpets like most Roombas do. And in the various pickup tests we did, we found it to be as good or better than any robot vacuum on the market, with sweeping up fine to extra large debris off the surfaces of hard floors and carpets. But the interesting thing here is the newly upgraded power. iRobot says that the J9 has 100% more suction than the Roomba I series, and we were able to confirm that in our suction and airflow tests. And this extra power really seemed to make a practical difference with its real-world vacuuming ability. For example, with our carpet deep clean test, where we see how good it is at picking up deeply embedded sand, it was the second best score I've ever seen. It was also better than the I series and the previous J series Roombas with things like the crevice pickup test. In the new promotional material, iRobot claims that the J9 is the quote #1 cleaning system based on certain IEC dust pickup tests for both hard floors and carpets, and after testing the J9 all week, I believe it. But I was almost equally impressed with its new mopping system. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus has iRobot's auto retract mopping system, where when the robot is vacuuming hard floors, it can lower its mop pad with its two stainless steel arms and vacuum and mop floors at the exact same time. But when it senses carpets, which it does automatically, it will raise up the mop pad and rest it on the top of the robot, which prevents carpets from getting wet. iRobot has been pretty vocal that other robot vacuums which have auto lifting pads only lift their pads up a few millimeters and are therefore prone to getting carpets wet, and they say their system is the only way to do it to ensure that carpets stay dry. And the J9's auto retract mopping system worked great in our tests, and it's hard to overemphasize what a game changer it is that robot vacuum mop combos can now vacuum and mop the floors in the same run, where it used to take 2 runs to accomplish the same thing. But one of the main reasons I'm excited about the Roomba Combo J9 Plus is because of how good it is at mopping floors, and in our tests it did noticeably better than other robot vacuum mop combos in a few key areas. With dried-on stains, it did extremely well. Even in our torture tests with dried-on grape juice, it was very impressive. But it was especially good with handling wet stains. Most of the robots we test, especially those with spinning mop pads, essentially just spread large wet stains around, but the Roomba Combo J9 Plus seemed to handle this much better. Also, it has a new mopping feature called Smart Scrub, where when it's enabled, it mops in a pattern which is essentially 2 times as effective. I tried this out with dried-on stains at my house, and was really surprised at how well it did. Another big pro is its obstacle avoidance system. This uses its front-mounted sensors to detect and avoid common household objects to keep it from getting stuck on them or making messes, which is a new feature only available on more expensive robot vacuums like this one. In our obstacle avoidance tests, the J9 scored about the same as its main competitors, not perfect, but certainly much better than not having obstacle avoidance. One of the best new features though, which is exclusively available on the Combo J9 Plus, is the Clean Base Auto Fill Dock. In addition to automatically emptying the robot's dust bin into a disposable bag, this new dock can also automatically refill the robot's water tank. iRobot says its dust bags can hold 60 days worth of debris, and the water reservoir can hold 30 days of water. I think the new bin design looks cool too, with its faux wood top, and it has extra pads and bags available in its convenient storage compartment. The final pro I'll mention is its app. iRobot has always had easy-to-use apps with a lot of features. It has keep-out zones for keeping the robot from going places that you don't want it to go. It has a brand new feature called Dirt Detective, which learns from past cleaning missions to automatically prioritize dirtier rooms and adjust settings like suction, scrubbing, and cleaning passes. The app also has all kinds of scheduling options and power and water level customization options, bin behavior options, and more. Moving on to the cons. iRobot has opted not to have this new bin design wash its mop pads automatically like a few of their competitors have started started to do, so you still need to wash its mop pads after each run manually. And while I do think that auto mop pad washing would have been a nice addition, iRobot has noted that adding mop pad washing can cause sanitary problems. And it's true that if you add mop pad washing to an auto empty bin system, it can create additional messes where the water and the debris mix in the tray. But it also means that you have a large dirty water reservoir to deal with, which can emit odors. So you could look at the Roomba Combo J9 Plus as a more sanitary option than its competitors if you are a glass half full kind of person. The navigation on the Combo J9 Plus was good. It both maps and vacuums the house in efficient rows, but it was a little less efficient than some of its competitors, taking about 10 minutes longer on average to clean our test area. Not a big deal by any means, but worth noting. It also took about 25 minutes to make an initial map with its fast mapping system, which is longer than some of its competitors. Overall, though, I was very impressed with the Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Its pickup, extra power, dual brushes, and unique pressurized mopping system make it an easy choice if your first concern is having the cleanest possible floors. It has all the advanced features you would expect from a top-of-the-line robot vacuum like obstacle avoidance and an auto-empty bin. Links in the description, and be sure to subscribe to Vacuum Wars before you leave. Thanks for watching.